Hello and welcome back to CBC's infotainment series. As you know, we are covering 6 rules of investment. Today, on day 6, we will talk about the last rule of investment, which is the 3 to 6 rule. Can you take a guess what this rule is about? The 3 to 6 rule states that you should save at least 3 to 6 months of expenses before investing. Putting away 3 to 6 months worth of expenses creates an emergency fund for future needs. Let's say your monthly expenses are 40,000 taka, meaning you should save between 120,000 taka and 240,000 taka according to the 3 to 6 rule. Thank you for being with us throughout the entire series on 6 rules of investment. We hope you found the series helpful for your future investment plans. Don't forget to like and share our Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn pages for more infotainment videos.